GPA. That's the third thing, the grade point average. Okay? Now, this year, effective 08-09, we have in our Satisfactory Academic Progress Policy a way of what we call a graduated GPA. Okay? It's a graduated GPA. And what we're doing is that we're giving you a reasonable amount of hours and time, or should I say GPA, to reach up to the point of a 2.0. So in other words, what I'm saying, guys, is by the time you attempt 60 plus hours in your program, you should make a 2.0. You should have that 2.0 GPA. But what I mean by graduated is, let me give you an example. And you will find this in the financial aid policy. It will be in the financial aid website under Academic Progress Policy. This is on our website, the policy itself. But to give you an example, okay, for those students who've attended, now this is attempted now. If you're in this category that you've attempted up to 1 to 29 semester hours, we expect you to have at least, at the end of the year, a 1.5. Okay? You have to have at least a 1.5. When you get up to this point, 30 hours to 59 attempted, then you're looking at a 1.8. It's when you get up here, you've got to have that 2.0. Now, you've got to be careful, though. You've got to be careful. Because when we say attempt, that's everything, again, remember, that's everything you've dropped, earned, or failed, right? On attempted hours. But you also got to remember that when you enroll in future classes, that's considered attempted. So, let's just say that at the end of that year, okay, you finished 29 hours. You finished and you attempted 29 hours, okay? And you met that minimum requirement of a 1.5, okay? But now you're going to roll next semester, say, probably about 15 for the next semester. What happens here? Now you're attempting 30. So what does that mean that at the end of that particular year you've got to be earning, GPA-wise? Cumulative now, 1.8. Okay, so you see what's happening? So you may be a student, or you may know somebody that may have over 60 hours attempted, but they only have earned 30. And it's happened. It has happened. So if they've earned 30 hours, guys, but they've attempted 60, what should their cumulative GPA be? 2.0. Okay? So basically what we're doing here is we're graduating you up to that 2.0. But you have to remember those attempted hours is affecting it also. But by the time you become a junior, you've got to have 60. You must have a 2.0 or better. Okay? So 3 things. Hours, reasonable time, and your GPA. So that's 3 things. So you see how everything's all kind of coming in together.